Indiabulls Asset Management is a manager for mutual funds, for alternate funds and portfolios. I run Indiabulls Asset Management Company with a particular interest on real estate funds, real estate private equity. We manage approximately 5,500 crore now across 6 funds, focusing predominantly on residential and commercial real estate, residential through credit and commercial through equity, acquisition of commercial assets. Almost half in terms of assets under management. The ambition is to do a whole lot more, look at other sectors or subsectors within real estate as well. So typically residential and commercial has been the focus area, will continue to for a little while till the time we can figure out a way to make money, say in warehousing or retail, industrial sectors and so forth. I am not too sure if data centers would qualify as interest in real estate, but we have looked at that space as well. And at this point in time, given where India is in terms of the demand supply situations and so forth, I think going forward in the near term, the focus will be on resi and commercial. Oh, everybody, whether it is developers, whether it is real estate funds, consultants, advisors, it's great to meet everybody. To me, a GRI conference is really more about networking, about trying to figure out what people are thinking, the issues that the industry is facing, how are people looking at approaching some of these issues and so forth. So everybody, like I said, there isn't a particular group of people that I'd be keen to meet, pretty much the whole industry and how, the issues are being dealt with and talked about from each different perspective. So while I'm a chartered accountant, but I haven't really done auditing or taxation related work even during my articleship. I did my CA with KPMG, predominantly in corporate finance and management consultancy. Spent almost 6 years, a little over 6 years with KPMG, India and Australia. Then came back from Australia, joined a boutique investment bank called Ambar Corporate Finance. Corporate finance was pretty much what I was doing at that time, M&A predominantly. And then, set up the fee-based business for ILFS. All of this was non-real estate. So real estate really happened in 2006, January of 2006, when I joined DTZ to set up the investment banking practice, valuations, consulting practice, and the Western India geography for everything else. So leasing, project management, facilities management, research, consulting, all of those things. Moved to JLL, was with JLL for close to 4 years. Ran 5 businesses at JLL. And then joined Indiabulls late 2014 to set up the real estate private equity piece and the portfolio management services piece. And this is where I am now. Enjoying every bit of it. A lot of activity right now in the marketplace. And we're trying to see how best to make use of all of it. So I was, come from up in the hills, Nainital, born and raised, then pretty much all over the place. I've lived and worked in Delhi, Bangalore, Australia, America for a bit, and then decided to move to Mumbai. 2004 was when I moved to Mumbai, and now I pretty much call myself a Mumbaiker. But my heart still belongs to the mountains, the hills. Wildlife photography. I'm quite passionate about wildlife photography. I read a lot, reading mostly fiction, but lately I've found that I've started doing a lot of non-fiction as well. Modern history, a variety of things. And what makes me happy, when I cook a meal with my wife for the boys, and they enjoy it, I think that makes me very, very happy. A lot of things, spending time with friends, over a drink, longish evening, spending 3 hours on a Sunday afternoon with a book, closing a deal, a lot of things make one happy.